Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Viggle AI. Viggle AI is a platform that converts your still images into motion graphics. If you want to access this platform, simply search for Viggle.ai. You will get to its website and then click on Try on Web. It also has its app that you can use on App Store or Google Play Store. Once you go to its web, then you have to just simply sign up and you will be onto this homepage. Now here you can see we have different sort of videos. These videos are created by other users and these are here for the inspiration. You can take the inspiration from there, or you also understand that how you can use your images to make into graphic motions. Also, if you like any one of these, you can also use them. It also has some categories like live, mix, multi-move, rap, music. If you like any one of these videos, you can click onto it and you can actually create something similar. So for that you have to click on remix. Now what you have to do here is you have to simply drop an image that you want to use from your system. So simply click onto it, add the image, and after that click on generate. Once you click on generate, then it will take some time, like a minute or maybe 2 minutes, and after that it will use this image on that video. Once the video gets created, you will click onto it and you will see this is how it has generated. Like it used this based on this movement body and created this image. So the same way, there are different sort of videos available as we see earlier. You can just simply pick any one of these videos or whatever you like. So you can click onto it, add the images, and after that your images will be converted into these movement videos. So that's it. This is how you can use the Wiggle AI. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.